Maybach music.
Fuck all these niggas, man. See how they doing it, dog. But look. Cold as the wind blows, they standing in thin clothes. Fuck them, no, cause it goes to show that all of these men hoes. I'm getting some bread, but they hating on how I did so. Cut them loose is funny, our old friends become new foes. I want a new rose while sipping on Nouveau, so I went and devised me a plan on how to do so. I'm not new, I'm just accustomed to money, and y'all are just getting high, but that type of shit I don't do though. So fall back if it's needed, call me what you want, but choose careful, nigga, cause God forgives and I don't. Really shit to ever fucking describe me. I'm really just waiting on one of you dudes to try me. We still getting money, got my niggas beside me. The past where it belongs, nigga fucking behind me. And nah, I don't know you, nigga fucking remind me. They bout to get smacked if these niggas keep eyeing me. What you tryin' be? Broke boy, you're rich for life. I'm trying to sit on me 100 million chips for life. I guess that falls under rich forever. We making moves, bitch, I promise we'll be rich forever. Self-made nigga, I do the shit whenever. We got the plug, you need supply, we'll move the shit whenever. I hear him talking, I'm just like whatever. Live for the day, cause it's promised that I'm not here forever.